Welcome to Honor. This is Mrs. Ward. Welcome to Honors Pre-Calc. I'm sorry I cannot be there with you today. We're moving our daughter into her very first college dorm room, so that's where I am. But I'm sorry I'm missing you on your first day. It is really bad timing. I appreciate your cooperation while we try and get through this. So first thing I need you to do is I need you to get your books. The books are located on the window sill, about the third window back. There's a stack of books. Take one. Someone needs to take them, pass them out. What I need you to know about these books is that they are brand new. They literally just came out of the box 2 days ago. You are the first people to be using them. So I need you to take extra special care of these books. Uh, Go ahead and open the book, and on the front cover, write your name so we can get the book back to you in case it gets lost. Um, you also should be familiar, there is a stack of white cards on top of the book. You need to complete those white cards. And there's an also 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that's filled out for your class for you guys to write your name and the textbook number. And then once everybody has those filled out and completed, you can just go ahead and put those cards in the paper on my desk, and I will get them when I come back. So whoever's running the video, if you can just pause it and give you guys a chance to do that, I would appreciate it. Okay, now that that's done and you have your books, I want to explain to you how you're going to do today's class and how you're going to do classes in the future. So everybody is familiar with Blackboard, and when I go to my classes for Blackboard, you have a pre-calc class, an honors pre-calc is what it's called. And when I click on that, you are going to, I have a lot more here because you don't have everything visible to you right now. But the welcome page is, it should be defaulted to come up as your calendar. And if you click on this, you guys are red. If you click on this, this will list the homework. This will list the actual problems, the page number that you have to do for homework tonight. And then it's going to be spanned over 2 days. So you are actually due, yours is actually due on the 21st. I have both honors on blue and gold, so that's why it'll stretch over to like that. So your homework can be found on Blackboard. It can also be found in test portals. I put the page number and the problems on both sets so you have them. Also on the Blackboard, you have a calculus book, which I hate to say it, but it's not, it's our, actually you're the online book, not the calculus book. It's not this edition, so I cannot find this edition because again, it's a brand new book. It's very similar, but not quite exactly. So you are going to have to carry that book back and forth. I'm sorry. So the first thing that you're going to do today is you are going to do the appendix. So in order to do this class, I'm going to need someone to come up. I'm going to need someone to log on to their Blackboard account. You're going to go to the appendix.
Good morning, friends. Before we ring the bell.
No, hold on. Mr. Wheeler's interrupting us. Okay, sorry about that. So whoever's coming up, again, you're going to go to the appendix. When you press on the appendix, you're going to click on appendix, and you should see a video that says A6 linear equations. That's what you're going to do for the rest of the class, is you're going to watch that video and take notes on it. If you have any questions, email me, help each other out. There are some solutions. What's great about the new textbook that you have, I want to go over a few things. First of all, I want you to open to a page. So let's say everyone opens to page, we'll do one that we have homework on tonight. So if you open your book to the appendix, page A64. And if I look, I see that number 51 is red. So I want everyone to be looking at number 51, red, on page A64. You will see above that there is a QR code. If you have a QR reader for your phone, you can take a picture of that QR code and it'll automatically pop you to a video that goes over step-by-step how to do number 51. So that's one cool thing about this new book. The other cool thing, if you look at the back cover, it has what's called Calc Chat. So it says that all the odd number solutions are on that website, thecalcchat.com. And then if those aren't enough, you can still chat online, and they have tutor hours. So I encourage you to check that out if you need it. You won't need it for tonight's homework. This is a very simple homework. It goes over Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 stuff. But you know, get used to comfortable with those resources for when things become a little bit more difficult. Also looking at this website, these note sheets, if you want to print out a plain copy of the notes before you come to class, you're more than welcome to do that. Those are the note sheets. And then the notes, what I do is after I teach a section, you'll see that these are the notes that I gave yesterday's class, and it'll have the completed notes. So if you're absent one day, that's where you can get that. Again, we'll go over all this stuff when I see you on Tuesday. So go ahead and watch that video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.